In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the straightforward process of adding a priority field to your project in Asana. This is a great way to organize your tasks and ensure that you're focusing on what's most important. Now let's dive right into this step-by-step guide and get you up to speed with adding priorities to your project. First things first, open up your Asana project where you want to add this feature. You'll notice that your tasks might not have a designated priority level yet. This can sometimes make it challenging to determine which tasks need your immediate attention and which ones can wait. Luckily, Asana makes it relatively simple to add a priority field to help you sort things out. Next, what you'll want to do is find the Add Field button. You can't miss it. It's conveniently located within your project view. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked, a dialog will pop up asking you for the type of field you wish to add. Type in Priority in the text box provided. You'll notice that Asana might even suggest priority as you type, so you can either click on it or just press the Enter key to confirm your choice. Now, when you're setting this up, you'll see an option to select a field type. Fortunately, Asana automatically selects the most suitable field type for adding priority, so there's no need to change anything here. It's specifically designed to help you label your tasks effectively with different levels of urgency. After confirming the priority field, it's time to customize it. You'll see some options to personalize how your priorities will be labeled. At this stage, you can choose different colors for each priority level. This really helps visually differentiate between tasks that need immediate attention and those that can be tackled later. Typically, you'll have three main categories: high, medium, and low. Feel free to rename these or keep them as they are, whatever best fits your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your settings and everything looks good, go ahead and click on Create Field. And just like that, the priority field should now appear prominently on your Asana project. You can start assigning priorities to your tasks, keeping your team aligned and on top of what needs to get done first. So there you have it. That's how you add a priority field in Asana the simple way. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your project management even more efficient. If you found this video useful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and guides on optimizing your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.